Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. Here you can see 0xc00000e9. So how we can fix it? First of all, you need to know what can cause this error. So this problem can be caused by also some devices that are connected to your laptop. It can also be printer, USB flash, some maybe some audio devices, or some phone that you connect to your laptop with some cable. So you just can try to disconnect all the devices you connected to your laptop and restart your computer. It's first way. So if it doesn't help you, second way you can try, it's also, if you can't open your Windows, you can also get into safe mode in Windows and just open Windows from safe mode. And after you open Windows with safe mode, just choose your system disk, right click on it, choose properties, and after you do it, just go to tools, and in tools you choose check. So it means that also you check all your system disk for different corrupt files and some errors, and it's also scanning all the disk for files that can cause this error. So you need to wait some time after it will load. So just wait after it will finish, and if it doesn't help you, the last you can try also is go to control panel, and you need to know if you install some maybe program, and this program can cause this error. So you need to remember if you maybe install some in past some program, and this program can cause this error. So you just if it caused by some app, you just click here, and it will it will be sorted by date, and you will see in previous programs will be that was the latest installed on your computer. So you just choose this program, for example Google Chrome, right click on it, and here you can see uninstall. You choose uninstall and uninstall this program app and just restart your computer. And also you know that if this error caused after you update your Windows, you can also try to delete this update. So just click here, view installed updates, and here you will see so just like I showed you, you choose by date. So where is the date? Here we can see installed on. So it's also installed by date. So you just delete the latest. Just right click on it and delete the latest update you installed on your computer. So after you do it, just restart, and I hope that your error will be fixed. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.